Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My today's topic is Cisco WLC 2504 or via CLI. In this I am going to configure WLC via CLI. In this I have a switch, I have a wireless LAN controller and AP. In this topology, my switch is connected to an internet on port number 48. On port number 46, it is connected to a WLC on port number 1, and on port number 3 I have a connected lightweight AP, and this WLC connected to my PC via console so that I will configure it CLI. I have a 4 ports in my WLC, and in this I am going to reset my device, hard reset my device via this reset button. You have to use your pin or something else to reset this pin, reset this point. Okay, now let's start the configuration via CLI without wasting the time. Yes, I have resetted my device, and now after rebooting it's look like this. It is asking for recover config. On the username password I have to type this recover config to reset the configuration to factory default setting. Now let's type. Now it is writing to flash. After that it is asking for the username password, so I have to enter the username password. Now rebooting system. Now it is updating license storage. Please don't skip the video because I have mentioned some important tips and points which you're going to miss if you skip this video. We have to wait because it is also going to verify and loading the primary image. In my case I have a 76120.0. It is my primary image. For those who just joined, I am going to reset my device if I forget my device, or if I want to configure from it from scratch. Now it is up to 67%. We have to wait. After full boot upload, it will going to start. Now after this uploading, it will going to initialize and start all the services. Yes, as you can see that it is initializing all the services and start the services. Guys, if you have any doubt or query, you can comment on my chat box so that I can help you. As you can see that it is starting all the services like SCAP web services. licensing services, WLC services, SSID services. Yes, now it is asking for terminate auto installation. Yes, we are going to terminate auto installation. Now after this it is asking for the username. In my case I am going to type admin as a username and the password as your desired. Re-enter password as your desired. Now it is asking for the link aggregation. I don't have any type of another device, so I am typing not now. No. Move it to the next part. It is important part, management interface IP address. To manage this device, I'm going to configure an IP, management IP, then a subnet mask. I have a /23 subnet mask for my wireless user and a default gateway, of course 10.1. VLAN identifier. If you have any VLAN identifier, please mention. In my case, I don't have, so I skip this. Now management interface. I have already connected my cable to port 1, so I'm going to configure port 1 as a management interface. DHCP server IP address. Yes, it is important. Please mention 10.1. I have DHCP IP address. Now virtual gateway. If you want to configure your captive port, you must mention the virtual gateway. I will describe you later for this virtual gateway another video on my another video. Yes, multicast IP address. I have a 239.0.1.1 is my multicast gateway IP address. Mobility RF group. Yes, I have CCI test Wi-Fi. Moving to the next, network SSID. CCI test Wi-Fi is my SSID through which a client wireless client user are going to be connect. It is asking for the DHCP binding. No. Allow static. No. Radius. No. It is now asking for the country. I have India IN. Now it is asking for the different wireless classes. B. Yes. A. Yes. N. Yes. RF auto. No. If you have any NTP server, please mention it. In my case I don't have. System timing I am not going to configure now. Later on I will do this. Yes, now I have almost completed all the. To save this my configuration, you must type yes and waiting for the reboot. Now the device is again going in the reboot. It is very simple and easy process, but you need to understand. If you don't understand, you just going to configure in while doing the troubleshooting you're facing some problems because you don't know. Yes, it is again rebooting the system, so it's again checking the license, all the services which are need to be start necessary to be run. We have to wait for patiently. Yes, it is again loading the image. My primary image is 7.6.120.0. In my further video or next video I am going to configure or upgrade my this image. Yes, launching the image. Now I think we have almost done. It is performing all the self test. Yes, it is starting again all the services. Now we are going to put IP address. So once the devices comes up, we not we, we can verify. Yes, starting almost done. Now enter your credentials so that you can verify that you have successfully configured the device. Yes, you can. Now on the browser just type this IP address with HTTP. Yes, we have configured successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have in case you have any doubt, please comment me so that I can help you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.